Alright, what's up y'all? I just want to make a quick video on my 2008 Acura TL Type-S in NightHawk Black Pearl. It has 132,350 miles on it right now. It still drives like it's brand new. I absolutely love it. I've had it for about 1.5 years right so far. And I put maybe 7,000 or 8,000 miles on it because I don't really drive all that much. I don't have that many mods on it. It's mostly stock, but the mods I do have, they're simple yet effective. I have a stage 3 muffler delete where I replaced the resonator with the Dynomax race bullet, and also deleted the mid muffler, the car sounds excellent. It's a perfect exhaust in my opinion. If you have a 3GTL and are thinking about that, you should definitely do it if you don't want to spend the money for a full out exhaust, because those can be expensive. It sounds really good, and it just has the right amount of tone and growl, and just gives a really nice sporty sound to this vehicle. I also have an Injen cold air intake, which makes that VTEC scream. It's amazing, really, really loud, really amazing. You know, this car's absolutely perfect, bro. I mean, the lines are amazing. It just looks so new, even though it's 12 years old. Ever since I saw one on the road many years ago, I became obsessed with it. I love the way it looks. I just love it. And a lot of people seem to like it the same way I do, as I get people looking at it everywhere I go. I always have people coming up to me, complimenting me on it, asking me how I was able to find it in this condition, and how it just looks so good. I also basically did a paint correction on this a few months ago to get that paint really popping. I did paint correction and also sealed the paint. I still have the OEM waffles, the wheels, because I like them. I really don't see a need in changing them, because with this color, I think it fits. The NightHawk Black Pearl, the gunmetal color looks really nice on it. Still have those Acura Brembos. They look kind of worn out. I mean, they are 12 years old. I'm thinking about making those yellow or something sooner or later. I'm riding on these Lexani tires. I had Continentals before, but just wanted to give this brand a try, and I already made a video on it. These tires have been great. I'm gonna go back to Michelin once these tires are done, but they've been great so far, and they're an absolute bargain. So I'll show you guys the interior real quick. I keep the interior in perfect condition. Here's the key. This is a BMW style key. It's amazing. I got it from eBay. There's also a lot of TL owners on Instagram and stuff selling it as well. It's a lot better than the OEM key, for sure. This is awesome. Very high quality, feels really heavy, and it's amazing. Can't get it to close. So yeah, let's open the car and I'll take you all for a quick tour on it. So here's the interior. I had got these Acura logo projectors, which weren't too expensive. They were like 45 bucks, which is worth it in my opinion. I got it when I bought the car. They look really nice and give this car like an upscale look. This is a very upscale car. It's like a very stylish vehicle, and I think this just adds to it. The dash is not actually cracked. The dash is intact, but I hate cracked dash so much that I bought a dash cover, and I protect the dash as well. I use a protectant, and I spray it every 3 months whenever I do leather cleaning every 3 months. So yeah, that's just a dash cover, and I'm just trying to keep the dash intact because I can't stand cracked dashes, and I love the way my dash looks right now. And yeah, I keep the car looking perfect. I keep it smelling like it's brand new. That's why people think that my car is new every time they go for a ride in it, and they get really surprised when I tell them it's 12 years old. So here's the back seats. No one ever uses the back seats. I'm the only one who drives this car. I mean, yeah, the car came with this, and there's a little tear over there, but what can you do? It's not a big deal. I just try to keep it in good condition after I bought it, right? So I love the tails on this car. Like, the thing I get compliments about the most on this car is the tail lights, the quad exhaust, and those wheels. People are always asking me how those, telling me that the wheels look amazing, that they love the quad exhaust. The back of this car is perfect, bro. I mean, overall, the car itself, there's like no bad lines on this thing. You know, it's just amazing. Like, the back of the car looks great. I love that boxy shape to it, and I love the quads. I love the factory quad exhaust on this car. They're staggered. Love the headlights as well. They look really sleek, really nice, and yeah, you know, it's amazing. I'm not really going to be doing any more performance mods or anything. I think the car is great the way it is. I like to have very subtle mods, which I just enjoy, and I don't like to go over the top. So here's my driver's seat. Here's the logo projector. I also got these paddle shifter carbon fiber shift paddle extensions from Endless RPM for $150. They're a little on the expensive side for sure, but they're amazing, and I just love the way they look. So in my eyes, it's worth it. I've always loved the aluminum pedals in this car. As I said, I tried my best to maintain this leather because Acura did not really use very high quality leather for these cars. So every 3 months, I mean, it's cracked and stuff. That's fair. It's 12 years old. What can you do, right? But I basically, every 3 months, I do leather cleaning and conditioning. I do a full, thorough leather cleaning and conditioning with my car products. And I make sure that the leather is nice, supple, and soft. And it's going to last a long time. So let me get in the car and put on standby mode real quick. It's the ignition start, which is fine. I mean, I'm completely okay with that. I actually prefer that over push button, to be honest. I'm thinking about replacing the old, outdated head unit with the Apple CarPlay Android Auto one eventually. I'm not really, it's not like a necessity, but might as well do it, right? I've got a dash cam on here too. Won this for free in a raffle. It's a dash cam and an Amazon Alexa thing. It's nice. And I've got these Acura cup holder things right here. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll be making some more videos on the car. I'll make a video of the exhaust and a drive-by video and a driving video, and I'll show some more stuff sooner or later. Hope you all enjoyed this video. And if you're thinking about getting a TL Type-S or a 2008, a 3rd Gen TL, definitely get it. It's a fantastic car. Some of my friends have actually gotten a 3rd Gen TL because of me. They love my car and I recommended them to get it, so they did. And I highly recommend this to everyone. And I hope to keep this car for years to come. I love it to bits, and it is a piece of automotive art, if you ask me. And that's all I got for you all today, bro.